So in order to insert the music in your video within the Filmora, you need to first bring or import the music file into your media library in Filmora. That you can do by double clicking this space and then browsing for the file, and you need to open that file. Is now been inserted here. This is the music file, and I can now simply drag this file to my timeline. Now I need to reduce the volume because I want my own voice to be louder than the music. So I can simply double click the audio file and then I can simply bring this down to minus maybe 6 dBs, and that's how you can add music into your video file within Filmora. By far is perhaps the best video editor for the beginners, and if you are new into the video editing, I would highly recommend that you buy this Wondershare Filmora because they keep giving the new updates. So you can download from their official websites. The link is there in the description below. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.